Imagine yourself buying a brand new car only to discover that the brakes are faulty. That is why quality control is essential. In this video, you will learn what quality control is, why it matters, and how it is used across various industries. Hi there, my name is Melvin, and I am a certified Six Sigma Black Belt Senior Quality Control Specialist by the Council of Six Sigma Certification. I welcome you all to the Quality Mentor. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about quality control. What is quality control? Quality control is the systematic process of inspecting, testing, and verifying that products meet quality standards before they're released. What are some of the core values of quality control? There are five main core values for quality control. Number one, excellence. Quality control focuses on achieving the highest standards in every product and process output. Number two, precision. Quality control focuses on accurate measurement and testing to ensure specification compliance. Three, standards. Quality control makes sure it upholds regulatory and industry benchmarks across all operations. Four, reliability. Quality control makes sure it is consistent, defect-free products that customers and partners will trust. And lastly, number five, trust. Quality controls helps in building confidence through transparent quality processes and results. Now, let us look at how quality control works. Quality control works in six major ways. Number one, product safety by ensuring products are safe and reliable for end users. Number two, inspection by performing systematic examination of materials and products to detect defects early. Number three, testing. It goes through rigorous lab and field tests to verify product performance meets specifications. Four, sampling. Quality control use statistical sampling methods to validate quality across the entire production floor or batches. Number five, measurement. Quality control use precise quantitative measurements to ensure compliance with defined standards. And number six, reduce cost. Quality control helps to minimize waste, rework, downtime, and costly recalls through early defects detections. Now, what are some of the responsibilities of quality control? Number one, document review. They review and approve standard operating procedures, batch records, and quality documentation for compliance and accuracy. Two, monitor and records. Quality controls monitor production processes in real time and accurately record all inspection and test results. Three, investigate. Quality control investigate non-conformances and quality issues. They equally recommend corrective and preventive actions. Number four, quality control uses various tools such as statistical process control, the SPC, root cause analysis tool, RCA, the FMEA, that is failure mode effect analysis. They use Pareto charts, scatter diagrams, and so on, which we shall see in the videos ahead. Now, what are some of the industries and benefits? So here is a structured overview of quality control types by stage, industry applications, and the key benefits of quality control. Number one, incoming QC, that is IQC. They inspect and verify raw materials and components before they enter the production process. The benefits in the pharmaceuticals by assay testing and sterility checks to ensure drug potency, purity, and patient safety. We have in-process quality control that monitor and test products at critical stages during manufacturing to batch defects early. In the beverage industry, for example, by doing alcohol proof verifications and pH measurements to maintain product consistency and compliance. You have the final quality control who verify finished products meet all specifications before they are released to customers. For example, in the food industry, they perform microbial testing to ensure food safety, regulatory compliance, and consumer protection. All right, as a summary, A key takeaway is quality controls ensure specifications through inspections, testings, and collaborates with quality assurance to deliver safe and reliable products. By quality control equally uses various tools in measurements, in sampling, in documentations such as SPCs, RCA, FMEA to detect and correct defects. And as a call to action, we advise to join the Quality Mentor Academy to master quality control skills and advance your career. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who may find it helpful. If you have any questions about quality control, leave it in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.